Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole. I have hooded eyes and I tend to do a lot of hooded eyeshadow tutorials on my channel, but I also do a lot of beauty related videos and beauty reviews in general. I do want to start out this video by apologizing for the noise in the background. It's Sunday. I film on the weekends because I do have a normal 9 to 5 business job. So all of my neighbors are home doing their things and my downstairs guy is listening to music super loud and then everybody else is like cleaning and walking around. So if you can hear that, I apologize, but if you can bear through it, today we are doing a full face of new makeup. I recently purchased a lot of makeup from Ulta, CVS, Walgreens, and I wanted to go ahead and try it out. Some of this stuff I've experimented with a little bit, so I have a couple of opinions on it, but a lot of this stuff is gonna be new for me, and we're gonna go ahead and see how it performs. So if you are interested in seeing this first impressions, go ahead and keep watching. All right, so we're gonna try to get through this whole video with my hair down. You guys know I love to have my hair up when I do videos because I think you can just really see the makeup, but I'm trying to switch things up. You guys really like it when I have my hair down, so hair is down and curled, but behind the ears for now. I'm also using natural light today. I do have my soft boxes, but I have my windows open because I think you might be able to see the quality of the makeup a little bit better and kind of see it for what it is. These soft boxes often blow things out, and while I don't put any filters on my videos at all, the light can kind of blur things. So let me know what you think of the quality of this video down below, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I have a couple of primers. I picked up the Catrice Prime and Fine Poreless Blur Primer. It's called Goodbye Pores. Juicy Jazz talked about this. I don't have super big pores. I have visible pores basically in this area right here, but they're not too bad. But I also picked up the Milani Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer. Allie talks about this all the time in her videos, and I think I'm gonna go for this because I moisturized my face quite a while ago and I want some like glow, and the Goodbye Pores is probably just gonna, you know, smooth it, and I don't necessarily need that. So let's go ahead and do a pump of the Milani. That is what it looks like. I did like a pump and a half there. The texture is interesting. It's kind of watery. Maybe I needed to shake it, but we'll see how it performs on the face. I'm just gonna warm it up between my fingers and then go in. It doesn't really have much of a scent, like I said in my Ulta haul video. Well, it was like Ulta CVS haul, but you know what I mean. But wow, glow. Definitely glowy. It's also making my face look super red. I can definitely see that's coming across on camera. Weird. I hope I'm not allergic to something in here. By the way, my nails, this is dip powder and it's glow in the dark and it's phenomenal at night. It literally is like blue glow in the dark and it is so cool. I'm obsessed with it. I've been so obsessed with dip lately. I have the worst nails in the world. I mean, if I paint my nails the next 2 hours, in all honesty, they're chipped. It's really nice to not have to deal with chipping. So we'll see the effects it takes, or the toll it takes rather, on my actual nails, but my skin feels really soft with this on. It definitely looks glowy. The redness is going down a little bit. That was weird, but we'll see. Let's see how the foundation goes over. So I didn't purchase a new foundation or concealer, so I am gonna hop off here, apply my foundation and concealer. I'm gonna go with the Catrice HD, the Dropper Foundation Liquid Coverage, I think that's what it's called, and then I'll probably go in with my Milani concealer, but I will tell you as soon as I get back here, so I'll be back in a second. All right, foundation, concealer, and bronzer are on. I will leave all the details down below since I didn't use any new products, but I am ready to go in and bronze and highlight. So I picked up the new LA Girl palettes from CVS. How beautiful are these? These feel high-end, they look high-end, they're amazing. And they are both like $15. So I have the Bright Beam Babe, which is a bronzer and highlighter. I think they had two different like palettes of this. I'm not sure what the other one is called. And then the Hot Heat eyeshadow palette. These are so pretty. So first, let's go in with the bronzer. I'll show you the eyeshadow in a little bit because we are going to use that today. But as far as the bronzers and highlighters, unfortunately I shattered one because I dropped it, but this is what they look like. So pretty. I cannot wait to try these. I think I may have used the one that I shattered as like a blush topper, but it's okay. Life happens. So let's go ahead and bronze up. I wish that they had the names listed in the palette. They just have one of these little guys. So the two bronzers are called Sun Soaking and Queen Bey. I'm just gonna use this Real Techniques brush. I haven't used this in a long time, and I kind of want like an all over bronze rather than targeted, so I'm just, ooh, pretty different for me. It's a little more red toned, which is nice because I don't have really a red toned bronzer in my collection. Very pigmented and very smooth. That's really pretty. I need to blend it out a little bit, which I will, but wow, very pigmented. Those are really, really pretty. So I do want to go back into this palette with a highlighter, but I want to quickly blush. I like to blush before I highlight. So I picked up the blushing in Bali from BH Cosmetics. These do look pretty powdery, but I do want to go ahead. I think I'm gonna go in with this middle shade right here and blush up a little bit. I'm just gonna use this Japanese brush. It looks, do I wanna go in with the middle? No, yeah, let's go in with the middle. Nah, let's go in with a mixture of both of the pink shades right here. So we have Leche and Coral. Definitely got a sheen to it, which I read when I bought this online that it had a sheen, so I don't want to go in too crazy. Very, very pigmented, but very, very pretty. Definitely shimmery though, so err on the side of caution with that because it is a shimmer. I'm just gonna kind of blend it out a little bit with my powder brush, and then we're gonna go back into the LA Girl palette, and I'm going to highlight with this lighter shade up here. So let's see, that is called Young and Free, and I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild highlighting brush. These LA Girl bronzers and highlights like have no kickback at all. Really amazing. So let's see. It's not like as popping as I thought it would be, but it's really melting into the skin nicely. So it's not like an Ofra highlight, but it really does look pretty when it hits the light. Yeah, it's definitely a stiffer formula, so I want to just quickly spray my brush after I go in and see if that makes it a little more like poppin'. A little bit. I like it. It really does look nice on the skin and blended. It's really meshing with the skin beautifully. Let's go ahead and do these eyes. So the Hot Heat palette. Let's try not to drop it again and shatter something, but look at that. How beautiful. This reminds me of like a Pro Fusion palette, but it has this beautiful mirror. Like I said, these feel so high end. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this. You know how I do when I do like a full face of makeup, I kind of fast forward through the video, but you'll see how they perform and I'll let you know what colors I'm using as I go through it. So I'm very excited to dig into this. All right, so I just want to show you that is one shade all over the lid. I like the formula. It's not quite as easy to use as like my Pro Fusion, to be honest. I think that those are a little more buttery, but they're so pigmented. Like I said, one shade. So I'm just gonna deepen the outer V and then apply a shimmer kind of on the inner corner, and that'll be it. Those shimmers are beautiful. They're almost like wet. It's kind of like a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow situation, and that is stunning. Wow. Wow. I mean, that was like the lightest little touch into it, and it is so pigmented. All right, so that eye look got a lot stronger than I thought it was gonna be when I amped it up with that shimmer shade that I'm obsessed with. I really like this. This is way different for me. I don't really do like an orangey, reddy, fiery eye ever, so this is really cool. I'm gonna jump off here really quick and go in with my Maybelline Eye Studio Black Gel Liner. I think I might do a little bit of a wing. We'll see how I'm feeling. I'll let you know how this performs when I come back. Gel liner just takes way too long to do on camera, and I'm sure this video is already way long enough. And then I'm also going to use the Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama Collection in Chiffon. I put these on my eyes the other day and I was like, whoa, those are way too intense, way too long. But I think with this eye, we might be able to pull it off. So I will meet you right back here with all of that on. All right, you guys, lashes are on. These are so intense. When I look up, they're like tickling my eyebrows. I'm also getting really watery eye on this side. So I have like no mascara or eyeshadow over here anymore. So I'm kind of hiding it with the hair. I did really like the Maybelline gel liner. I also liked the LA Girl pencil liner. Those both went on really well. I was able to kind of smoke this out a little bit, so I really like that. So I'm gonna end this one now because my eye is watering hardcore. That's just kind of what I deal with in the summer and spring. I don't have an allergy medicine that works for me, unfortunately. Everything I tried today, I really, really liked. I think these LA Girl palettes are super awesome. Definitely stand out in this video. Pick these up if you can find them in store or online. I think they've been sold out. I have a couple of setting sprays to try, but I'm not gonna deal with it today with my eye. It would just make everything run a little bit more. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you guys have any questions, as always, please let me know below. I read and respond to each and every one of you. Otherwise, thank you so much for spending some time with me. If you're interested in seeing any more videos, I post every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central and every Sunday at 12 noon Central. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.